Right then, let's get cracking. Picture this. It's a busy evening, you're absolutely starving, and the last thing you want is a mountain of washing up. But what if I told you that in the time it takes to scroll through your phone, you could have a dish on the table that smells absolutely incredible? I'm talking about a beautiful, fragrant, creamy coconut fish curry. This isn't about slaving away for hours, it's about smart, fast cooking that delivers massive flavor. We're going to use one pan for this gorgeous curry, which means all those lovely tastes get to know each other, and the cleanup is an absolute doddle. This is a dish that truly sings with freshness. Imagine the warm perfume of coconut milk bubbling away, the sweet perfume. First things first, let's get all our players on the field. Good cooking starts with a bit of prep, or mise en place, as the fancy chefs say. Having everything ready to go means the cooking part is smooth and stress-free. For our start, the fish, you'll want a lovely white fish fillet. Think of something like cod, pollock, or tilapia. They're brilliant because they cook super quickly and soak up saucy flavor without falling apart. A couple of nice chunky fillets will do the trick. Next up, the heart of our sauce, a can of full-fat coconut milk. Don't go for the light stuff here. The full-fat version gives that rich creaminess. Now for the aromatics, the bits that build the foundation of our curry smell. You'll need a clove or two of garlic, finely chopped or grated. Then grab a lovely fresh lime. We'll use its juice to cut through the richness. A good quality mild curry paste or a simple curry powder, a couple of spoonfuls. For the salty umami kick, a little splash of fish sauce or a good pinch of sea salt. Let's talk about the green stuff, fresh herbs that bring the dish to life. While our curry is going to be the main event, a perfect partner of fluffy, fragrant rice is non-negotiable. Cooking jasmine rice is easy, but there are a couple of little tricks to get it just right. First up, the wash. Pop your measured rice into a bowl and cover it with cold water. Swirl it around with your fingers. You'll see the water immediately turn cloudy. Pour that water away carefully. Rinse 2, swirl and drain. Rinse 3, swirl until the water runs mostly clear. This step is a game changer. It stops the rice from becoming gluey and ensures each grain is beautifully separate and fluffy. Once your rice is rinsed, get it into a small saucepan with a tight-fitting lid. The lid is super important as we're going to be steaming the rice to perfection. 1 part rice, 1 cup, 1.5 parts water, 1.5 cups. Add a tiny pinch of salt, not too much. Give it one quick stir to make sure the rice isn't clumped together at the bottom of the pan. Now, pop the pan on the stove over a high heat and bring it to a rolling boil. As soon as it's bubbling away, turn the heat down to the absolute lowest setting your stove can manage. Clamp that lid on tight and set a timer for exactly 12 minutes. The golden rule here is simple. Do not, under any circumstances, lift the lid. With the rice happily resting, it's time for the main act. Grab your one and only large pan or wok and place it over a medium heat. Add a little splash of vegetable oil or coconut oil and let it get nice and warm. The first smells are about to begin. Tumble in your finely chopped garlic. Let it sizzle for just 30 seconds. You don't want it to burn, just to become fragrant and release its savory perfume. This is the first layer of flavor. It's the kitchen equivalent of a starting pistol. Now add your curry paste or powder, spoon it into the pan with the garlic and stir it around for about 1 minute. This is waking up the spices. You'll see the paste darken and the aroma deepen. Once that spicy scent fills the kitchen, pour in your whole can of coconut milk. Coconut milk swirling into the sizzling red curry paste and garlic. Then give everything a good stir until smooth. Let the sauce come to a gentle simmer, just a few lazy bubbles. Now we season it. Squeeze in the juice of half a lime. Right, the hard work is done, and your kitchen should smell absolutely epic by now. It's time to bring it all together and create a plate of food that looks as good as it tastes. Grab your warm plates or shallow bowls. Start by spooning a generous mound of that fluffy, fragrant jasmine rice onto one side. Use your fork to create a nice, airy bed for our beautiful curry. The delicate scent of the jasmine rice is the perfect base for the rich, aromatic sauce that's about to join it. Now, for the star of the show. Using a spatula or a large spoon, carefully lift a fish fillet, or a couple of lovely chunks, out of the pan and place it gently next to or on top of the rice. Try to keep it in one piece to show off how beautifully it's been cooked. Then ladle that incredible coconut curry sauce all over and around the fish, letting it pool around the rice. A little sprinkle of extra fresh chopped cilantro over the top adds a burst of vibrant green color and a fresh peppery bite.